Hello everyone, welcome back to Continental Food and Cake TV. If it's your first time here, you are highly welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make oatmeal fufu. Oatmeal is one of the healthiest grain and also contain a lot of health benefits such as vitamin B1 and vitamin B5. Oatmeal is gluten-free, high in fiber, high in protein. Eating oatmeal is going to help lower your cholesterol, blood pressure and sugar level, keeping you full for a longer time and making you eat less. Then you start losing weight. Oatmeal have a lot of health benefits, making it the best ingredients in making oatmeal fufu or oatmeal swallow. Today I'm going to show you two ways on how to make oatmeal fufu or swallow. The first way is microwave, which is fast and easy. The second way is in a gas top, in a pot or pan. If you're interested in learning how to make oatmeal fufu or oatmeal swallow, please keep watching. If you're new here and you've not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. I upload video every week and I have new recipe to show you. So let's get started. To make the oatmeal fufu, in here I have 120 grams of oatmeal, and in cups is 1.5 cup of oatmeal. And this is the one that I measured here, is the organic one, which I prefer. But you can also use this if you can't find this. And if you're using this, it comes in packets. This comes in packets, so I use 4 pack of this, which is the same 120 grams of it. That's for me, but if you want to eat more, you can measure high. If you can find the grounded oatmeal, you can go ahead and buy it, but make sure it's 100% oatmeal. You don't want the one that has been mixed with other ingredients or mixed with other chemical or has been processed and is not 100%. So when buying the grounded one, make sure it's the original or is 100%. But me, I prefer grinding my own because it's so easy to do that. And I'm going to show you 2 ways on how to grind it. One of the ways to grind the oatmeal is to use a grinder. Today I'm going to be using coffee grinder, but you can use any grinder that you have at home. So this grinder I got from John Lewis. So what I'm going to do is to pour in some of the oatmeal into the grinder. Pour as much as I can. After that, I'm going to cover the grinder with the lid. Cover it with the lid and press the black button there. Keep pressing it. While pressing it, hold on to it. Then it's going to grind the oatmeal until smooth. Sometimes I do this in 2 or 3 batches. So simple. This is how to grind with a coffee grinder, and this is what it's looking like. So I'm going to pour it in a bowl. So this is what it's looking like after grinding it in the coffee grinder, and this is 120 grams of the oatmeal. The second way is to blend in the blender. With a cup, I'm going to measure 1.5 cup, which is 120 grams in gram. That is the amount that I eat. To help lose the weight, it's better to measure and make sure you're eating the same amount each time you eat your oatmeal. So which I do 120 grams, but you can eat more if that's what you want. So to that, I'm going to add 200 ml of water to help blend the oatmeal. I'm going to pour it in the blender. Then cover it with the lid. Cover it with the lid and blend. And I'm going to be blending this until smooth. You need to make sure you blend until it's smooth. It takes between 1 to 3 minutes to blend. With the oatmeal fufu, depending on the consistency you want, if you want it more softer, then you need to add more water while blending. So you can see me pouring it. That's the consistency after blending. Not too thick, not too watery. So now I'm going to put it in the microwave and heat it up for 4 minutes, depending on your microwave, but it takes 4 minutes, 1 to 4 minutes. So after 4 minutes, I'm going to open the microwave, and this is what it's looking like after heating it up in the microwave for 4 minutes. So easy. The microwave method is so easy. That's the oatmeal fufu ready. So with a wooden spoon, I'm going to mix it together or give it a very good stir. You need to do this. This is also important. You need to mix it together until it's well combined. I'm sorry that my camera is not showing the full footage, but what I'm doing is I'm mixing it with a wooden spoon. To stop it from drying out, I'm going to wrap in a cling film. And also to keep it warmer for a long time, you can wrap in a kitchen foil. This is going to help keep it warmer for a very long time. Now I'm going to be doing the second method. Here I have my pot in a gas top. Then I have 500 ml of hot water. Normally I would just eyeball this, but because I'm making a video I have to measure. So with the 500 ml of hot water, I might not use all of it, but we'll see how it goes. So I'm going to be pouring 400 ml into the pot, and this water is hot. So after pouring that, I have 100 ml left, which I'm going to be using later. After that, with a wooden spoon, I'm going to scoop the grounded oatmeal. I'm going to sprinkle it in the hot water. Then scoop more, sprinkle it. You don't want to pour all the oatmeal fufu at once. You want to sprinkle or add little at a time, which I'm going to be doing. You can see me adding more. If you add more, then you stir it with the wooden spoon. It might look lumpy, but don't worry. After mixing it for a couple of minutes and adding more grinded oatmeal, it's going to become smoother and form a dough. So which I'm going to be doing, but you need to really mix this. Keep mixing and keep stirring. Mixing oatmeal fufu requires a little bit of energy. With oatmeal fufu, depending on the consistency you want, you can make it harder, softer, in the middle, depending on how you want it. The more you add water, the more softer. So the amount of water added into your oatmeal fufu determine the consistency. So with this, I want it in the middle, not too hard, not too soft. So I'm going to be careful with the amount of water that I add in. So I'm still stirring it in or mixing it together. As I said, this requires a little bit of energy, so that's why I prefer the microwave method. So if you don't have time in doing this, just pop it into the microwave as I did before. So easy and faster. But I'm showing this depending on which one you want to do. Making your oatmeal fufu on a gas stove take between 1 to 12 minutes depending on your heat, because I'm using medium high. You don't want to do this on a high heat because it's going to burn your oatmeal fufu. You don't want a burnt oatmeal fufu. So I'm still mixing this together. As you can see, the lumps has disappeared. It's becoming smoother and forming a dough. So I'm pouring the last oatmeal fufu, pouring it into the pot. Then I'm going to really mix that in. Mix. To be honest, I love doing this, but also prefer the microwave method. So after 10 minutes, this is what the oatmeal fufu is looking like. This is the consistency. It's from a dough and the lumps has all disappeared and smoother. So to help cook it the more, I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of water from the 100 ml left. I'm not going to be pouring all of it. Sprinkle a little bit of water. You can see me doing that. After that, I'm going to cover it with the lid. Cover it with the lid and allow it to steam for 2 minutes in a low heat. So it's been 2 minutes and this is what the oatmeal fufu is looking like. The oatmeal fufu is ready, but I'm also going to give it a very good mix, making sure that it's well combined. Mix. This step is so important. That is why it requires a little bit of energy. With a plastic scraper, I'm going to scrape the pot and scoop out the oatmeal fufu and wrap it in a cling film to stop it from drying out. And also to keep it warmer for a long time, you can wrap it in a kitchen foil. So this is how to make oatmeal fufu 2 ways: microwave and gas top. Oatmeal fufu you can eat with any soup of your choice. And this oatmeal swallow passes through the throat so smoothly. Even a child can eat this. The consistency is so smooth. So thank you so much for watching my video to the end. To my old subscribers, thank you for coming back. To the new ones, thank you so much. And if you've not subscribed, please subscribe, turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you're not going to miss out. In this channel, we upload video every week and I have new recipe to show you and also new ways on doing things. So please subscribe. Do not forget to thumbs up this video, means like this video, and also write me a beautiful lovely comment. I would love to read your comment. Check the description box for more information and also follow me on Instagram, continentalfood.cake. I would love to be your friend. I love you all, my subscribers. Love you all so much, and I will see you in another cooking video. Bye bye.